Remember the first time you noticed it? "I'll get to it later," you said to yourself. But you didn't, and weeks turned into months, months into years, and finally one day you woke up and it was a far bigger problem than you expected. Now that's a pain you didn't plan on, not to mention the costs. Foundation problems always seem to creep up on you when you least expect them. And just like that toothache, if you don't fix the problem sooner than later, it will cause you a lot more pain. You see, foundation problems hurt too. The good news is, Foundation Technology is an expert at providing alternative repairs for foundation problems just like yours, that are guaranteed to fix your problem permanently, and for less than conventional methods. 100% zero-down financing and up to 25-year warranties. You should probably call today. 661-294-1313. Foundation Technology, a trusted leader in foundation repairs, serving all of Southern California.